nasty. I don't know if you guys... What is going on, guys? Joven right here. Hope you guys are doing awesome. And in this video, we are gonna learn how to turn this into this. This is a Japanese art form known as Dorodango, in which you take a pile of dirt, turn it into a ball, and shine it until it resembles a pool ball. Alright, so we're gonna head outside, we're gonna grab some dirt, and we're gonna learn how to Dorodango. Alright guys, now before we get started, we're gonna need a few things. We're gonna need... Alright, so we are just gonna find some dirt. Get dirt everywhere. Alright, we'll grab some dirt. There's dirt. Step 1, sift the dirt. Now that the sifting is all done, we are just gonna leave it out in the sun to dry, and then we'll get back to it. Alright guys, now for step 2, we are gonna shape the ball. Here, I have half of the dirt, the other half is in the sun drying. So we are just gonna add a little bit of water, and we're gonna shape the ball with our bare hands. So nasty. I think I put too much water, but we'll see. I think I put too much water, so I think we're gonna have to squeeze it out. It's still kind of wet. I might have to let it dry overnight. Alright guys, it is the next day and the mud ball has somewhat dried. It's still a little moist, but we are going to move on to step 3 and it's time to polish. So what we're going to do is take the other half of the dirt that we dried and we are just going to sprinkle it on top and just rub it in like so. And continue doing this until it shines. I'm not sure how this works though, but we'll see what happens. So this step actually feels like it's creating another layer. Now we're just gonna cover our hands with dirt. Guys, it looks like it's starting to happen. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it looks like it's starting to shine. Alright guys, I think this is as good as I'm gonna get it. For my first try, not bad. Let's go check it out in the sun. That's a ball of dirt. It went from this to this to this to this. The art of Dorodango. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.